In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable constellation lines and art in the SkyView app on iPhone. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and wondered which stars form the classic patterns, this quick walkthrough will make those constellations pop. We'll turn on the constellation lines, and if you like a more visual guide, the beautiful constellation art as well. Everything we do happens right inside the app, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening the SkyView app on your iPhone. Once the main SkyView loads, look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. It's typically tucked at the edge of the screen, and it opens the panel where you can adjust what you see overlaid on the sky. Tap the menu icon, then choose Settings. You'll recognize it by the little wrench icon. Settings is where SkyView groups the visual and feature controls so you can personalize your experience without changing how the app tracks the sky. Inside Settings, go to the Display section. Display controls are all about what SkyView shows you on top of the stars and planets, so this is the perfect place to fine-tune your view. Under a category labeled Sky Objects, find the option for constellation lines and turn it on. The moment this is enabled, SkyView will draw simple line segments connecting key stars to outline each constellation. These lines act like training wheels for your eyes, helping you connect the dots even in areas of the sky where the stars look scattered. It's a clean, minimal overlay that keeps the sky readable while giving you just enough structure to recognize shapes quickly. While you're still in the same settings menu, you can also enable constellation art. This adds the mythological figures that correspond to each constellation, layered right over the star patterns. It's especially helpful for learning the stories behind the shapes or for sharing the sky with friends and family because it turns abstract lines into recognizable figures. If you prefer a lighter touch, you can keep the lines on and leave the art off. If you're a visual learner, turning on both can make the patterns memorable at a glance. When you're done, tap back to return to the sky view. Now, as you sweep your phone across the night sky or explore from indoors, you'll see the constellations outlined, and if enabled, the artwork anchored to those stars. That's all it takes to make the sky feel organized and familiar. Enjoy exploring and have fun identifying your favorite constellations with confidence.